Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the multiple choice questions related to human reproductions of chapter 3rd of class 12. So let's start. Blastopore is the opening of blastocells, archenteron, coelenteron and gastrocells. Answer is B. Archenteron is the correct answer. Blastocells is the opening of. B is the correct answer, archenteron. Division of human egg is holoblastic equal, meroblastic, holoblastic unequal, none of these. So answer is C. Holoblastic unequal is the correct answer. Copper T prevents ovulations, attachment of fertilized ovum, fertilizations, all of the above. So C is the correct answer. Fertilization is the fertilizations. Copper T prevents fertilization. Which of the germ layers is the best associated with development of heart? Ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, all of this. C is the correct answer, mesoderm. So mesoderm is associated with the development of heart. A human female reaches menopause around the age of 70 years, 25 years, 15 years, 50 years. So D is the correct answer, 50 years when female reaches menopause. The initial step during fertilization of egg is penetration of sperm into ovum, formation of fertilization cone, fertilizing anti-fertilizing reaction, formation of fertilization membrane. So C is the correct answer, fertilizing anti-fertilizing reaction. Blastula of frog is stereoblastula, celioblastula, discoblastula, superficial blastula. So correct answer is the B, celioblastula. In most of mammal, testes are located in scrotal sac for sex differentiation, sperm development in cooler condition, independent functioning of kidney, more space to visceral organs. So answer is the B, sperm development in cooler condition. In which part of the sperm mitochondria are present? Head, tail, neck, middle piece. D is the correct answer. In middle piece, mitochondria is present. Grey crescent is present in brain of rabbit, fertilized egg of frog, eye of frog, retina of cockroach. B is the correct answer. Fertilized egg of frog, grey crescent is present. The change is mammalian sperm which prepares is to fertilize the ovum is termed as metamorphosis, capacitation, maturations, preparations. So answer is B is the correct answer, capacitation. What happens during spermatogenesis? Mitosis, meiosis, both A and B, metamorphosis. So during the spermatogenesis, both mitosis and meiosis occur. So C is the correct answer, both A and B. The Mullerian duct in the female amniotes develop into ureter, oviduct, seminal receptacle and uterus. So answer is B. Oviduct is Mullerian duct in female amniotes developed into oviduct. Cervix is a part of kidney, of fallopian tube, of epididymis between uterus and vagina. So cervix is a part between uterus and vagina. So D is the correct answer. Progesterone productions falls during lactation, menopause, gestation and dematurations. So answer is B is the correct answer. During menopause, progesterone productions falls. Egg released by the Graafian follicle is surrounded by zona pellucida, vitelline membrane, plasma membrane and all of this. So egg released by the Graafian is surrounded by all of these. So answer is D, all of these. It is surrounded by zona pellucida, vitelline membrane, plasma membrane. So D is the correct answer. Metamorphosis is associated with excretion, embryology, respiration, endocrinology. So B is the correct answer, embryology. Metamorphosis associated with embryology. Gland secreting male sex hormones are Leydig cells, seminiferous tubules, vasa differentia, testes. So, correct answer is A. Leydig cells secrete male sex hormone testosterone. Estrogen is secreted by corpus luteum, membrana granulosa of Graafian follicle, pituitary, germinal epithelium of ovary. So B is the correct answer. Estrogen is secreted from membrana granulosa of Graafian follicle. Ovulations occur on the day of menstruation cycle, 8 to 10 days, 14 to 16, 12 to 14, last 2 days of the menstruation cycle. So B is the correct answer, 14 to 16. So ovulations occur. Which set is similar? Corpus luteum, Graafian follicle, bundle of fish, pacemaker, sebum, sweet vitamin C, niacins. So A is the correct answer. Corpus luteum and Graafian follicle is a similar set. Amphiblastula is the larva of Hydra, Planaria, Cycon, Leucosolinea. And correct answer is C, Cycon. Amphiblastula is the larva of Cycon. Testes distends into scrotum in mammals for spermatogenesis, development of visceral organs, fertilizations, development of sex organs. So A, spermatogenesis is the correct answer. Testis distends into scrotum in mammals for spermatogenesis. In the male, human being sperms contain autosomes and only one Y chromosome, only one X chromosome, both X and Y chromosomes, either X or Y chromosomes. So, in human male, sperms contains autosomes and either X or Y chromosomes. Answer is both X and Y chromosomes, because in human male contains both X and Y chromosomes and autosomes. So C is the correct answer. Cessation of menstruation cycle in women is called ovulations, menarche, parturitions, and D, menopause. So D is menopause is the correct answer. Cessation of menstruation cycle is called menopause. Antrum is the cavity of Graafian follicle, gastrula, blastula, ovary. So correct answer is A, Graafian follicle. Antrum is the cavity of Graafian follicle. This is the method of birth control. GIFT, IUD, IVF, ET, GTF. IUD is the correct answer. This is the method of birth control, intrauterine device. Non-cleodic eggs occur in birds, fishes, reptiles, platypus. So B, feces is the correct answer. Non-cleodic eggs occur in feces. Hemoendothelial placenta occur in man and ape, cow and goat, deer and camel, rat and rabbit. And D, rat and rabbit is the correct answer. Hemoendothelial placenta occurs in rat and rabbit. Sperm produce an enzymatic chemicals for dissolving the egg covering is called hyaluronic acids, hyaluronidase, androgemony, and distress. So B is the correct answer. Hyaluronidase is the correct answer. Sperm producing chemical hyaluronidase. The number of polar bodies formed in frog during oogenesis is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 means C is the correct answer. The persistence of corpus luteum during pregnancy is due to hormone known as LH, estrogen, progesterone, chorionic gonadotropin. So D, chorionic gonadotropin is the correct answer. The follicle that ruptures at the time of ovulation promptly is due to a hormone known as corpus luteum, corpus albicans, corpus callosum, corpus Hymenarchium. So D is the correct answer, corpus hemorrhagium. Majority of mammals, spermatozoa, acquires capacitations in epididymis, seminal vesicle, female reproductive tract, urethra. So C is the correct answer, female reproductive tract. Clitoris in female mammal is homologous to penis of male, analogous to penis of male, non-functional overgrown structure. So homologous to penis of male is the correct answer. Which part of sperm provide energy for its movement? Tail, middle piece, head, acrosomes. B. Middle piece provide the energy because in middle piece mitochondria present. 5 oogynia yield 10 primary oocytes. Then how many ova are produced on completions of oogenesis? So answer is A, 5. Testosterone is secreted by mast cells, Sertoli cells, Kupffer cells, and Leydig cells. So D, Leydig cell. Testosterone is secreted by Leydig cells. Menstruation cycle is affected by progesterone only, LH plus FSH plus estrogens, and estrogens only. So answer is C. Menstruation cycle is affected by LH, FSH, and estrogens. Animals which give birth to young ones are called amphibians, oviparous, triploblastic, viviparous. So D is the correct answer, viviparous. Drones in a colony of honeybees originated by Argentoni, Thalectoki, cyclic parthenogenesis, diploid parthenogenesis. So answer is A. Arentoki is the correct answer. So drone in colony of honeybees originated from Arentoki. The cytoplasm surrounded the mitochondria found in the middle piece of sperm is acrosomes, microsomes, manchate, and centrosomes. So manchate, C is the correct answer. Which of the following is correct about mammalian testes? A. Graphene follicle, Sertoli cells, Leydig cells. B. Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, and seminiferous tubules. C. Graphene follicles, Leydig cells, seminiferous tubules. And D. Graphene follicles, Sertoli cells, and seminiferous tubules. So B is the in testes and mammalian testes there is a no graphene follicle, Sertoli cells, Leydig cell, and seminiferous tubule. So B is the correct answer. Which of the following is a primary sex organ? Vagina, ovary, uterus, fallopian tube. So B. Ovary is the primary sex organ. In which of the following testes remain in abdomen and do not distend in scrotum? Elephant, rabbit, human, ox. So A. Elephant is the correct answer. Corpus luteum in mammals occur in A. Skin and act as a pain receptors. B. Hurt and initiates arterial contractions. C. Ovaries and produce progesterone. D. Brain and connects lobes of cerebrum. So C. Ovaries and produce progesterone. This is C is the correct answer. Tunica albuginea is the covering of liver, spleen, testes. D. Lungs. And answer is C. Testes. Tunica albuginea is covering of the testes. Bartholin glands are situated at A. At reduced end of tail of binds, on either side of vagina in humans, on either sides of vast differences in humans, on sides of heads of some amphibians. So B is the correct answer, on either sides of vagina in humans. During embryonic development, the stabilization of polarity along anterior, posterior, dorsal, and ventral or medial lateral axis is called axis formation, anamorphosis, pattern formation, organizer phenomena. So D, organizer phenomena is the correct answer. The number of chromosomes in a mature gametes gets halved during meiosis, formation of first polar body, formation of second polar body, division of secondary oocytes, and spermatocytes. So B, formation of first polar body is the correct answer. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all new updates. And if you like this video, please share it with all friends. And in next video, we will discuss with more multiple choice questions of human reproductions. So keep watching. Thank you so much.